Good afternoon, it's Bev at Planet Crochet. I'm going to make this small video to add on to the previous one, showing this black bag, this black and white sheep bag. I did forget to show the inside. Now I hand sew them in on the top. There is a video with the blue one, with the blue one, this one. This is the little rabbit one. And this one, as you can see, I machine sewed the top. The others I haven't done it, but I thought I'd have not that I can't do it, but I just thought I'd try something different. And I think I'm going to do that with every subsequent bag I do, is sew it down on the inside. So it's sewn together on material, but I do hand sew onto the crochet. And then I did this, I'll show you the white because it stands out a bit better. I did a different top. There you go. If you want to know how to do the puff stitch, I have a link in the previous video. Go and head over there, it'll show you how to do the puff stitch. So yeah, sorry about that. I did forget to show the material. I will try and find, if you want other specific materials, you can always leave me a message. If you want a bag like this, the handle's slightly different as well. I don't know how that will stand up to use. I know material will, but I don't know about 2 layers of crochet. Anyway, just a small add-on to the previous video with the sheep bag. And I've named this one Beautiful, as in B-E-W-E, as in you, a female sheep. Beautiful Billy Goat, and that's an inspiration from a YouTuber I watch who has sheep. Anyway, enough from me this afternoon. I'll catch you again on another video. Bye for now.